Are you feeling lost and unknown in your fashion business? Do the following and you'll begin to stand out. Take yourself seriously. They say charity begins at home. If you do not take yourself seriously, then don't expect anybody to take you seriously. Tell yourself you are in business and you are in for good. Introduce or pitch yourself every opportunity you get. Tell people about who you are and what you do. Show yourself. I always find it strange when fashion designers do not make clothes for themselves. One of the ways you can introduce your business to people is by wearing what you make so that they know what you are capable of. Promote yourself. Every opportunity you get, promote yourself. Social media is free. Are you using it? Make sure you use it to your advantage. Hype yourself. Use every opportunity you have to market yourself. Tell people about your business. Don't be quiet. Don't expect that people will know about you if you don't tell them. Elevate yourself by becoming better at what you do. Take trainings. Make sure you are constantly improving what you do. Don't remain in one position. Differentiate yourself. Make sure you are outstanding in what you do. Make sure you have a unique selling point, something that sets you apart from every other person doing fashion business. And I hope this helps someone.